After living in 20 plus major cities like Montreal and Boston and Houston, spent some time in Quito, and now I live in Cuenca, Ecuador, which is less of a major city and more of a small city. I'll tell you this, that most urban cities now, for me, with my routine, are kind of just urban brown noise. There's certain things that are different. For example, in Cuenca, it doesn't snow. Generally, the weather stays the same here. But in general, you establish your routine regardless of where you live as an expat. And eventually, the city kind of just becomes some urban brown noise. There's great people in every city. You can find your people in any city. So at the end of the day, I think now I'm more comfortable in any city now that I've established every city is similar. Tell me what you think. Do you feel like cities are just urban brown noise for you, or do you really prefer one city over another? Excited to hear what you think in the comments.